Hello guys, in today's little tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Padlet. So I've already logged into my Padlet, but if you haven't done it before, all you need to do is to go to padlet.com and create an account. You can create it with your Facebook details or your Gmail account. So that's what I've done, hence my little English owls icon here. So I've created one Padlet already, but I'm going to show you how to make one now. So in order to make a Padlet, you click here. And there are a few options, and all of them are quite interesting. My favorite one, I think, is a wall, because it gives you an opportunity to share lots of content with your students, and your students can also share what you want them to share. They can be videos, audio files, voice recordings and documents. You can even share Google Docs on your Padlet, which makes it just a nice collaborative space for your whole class. Okay, there is another interesting template is a stream in which you can post posts basically, and your students can comment on them, can like them, and they appear one under another and look a little bit like a feed on or a wall on Facebook. I'm going to show you a wall, but do have a look around other templates and have a play with them. So here is my new tablet. Oh, what a beautiful background. I can change my background if I like. So all the options are here. There are many colors, but also textures and other things like that. Pictures. I can use a giraffe template. That's a beautiful one. And there are also other options that I can change on my Padlet. So I can change its icon if I like. I can change its title. For example, intermediate class Padlet. I can create a description for it, and then I can enable a few things. I can display author name above each post. This is only going to be visible when your students are logged in, but it's not necessary to log in to Padlet for your students to be able to contribute. So most of them will probably appear as anonymous, which is also fine, I think. Then you can turn on the option to require approval for added content, and you can filter the content that they add. You can decide where the new posts appear, and you can turn on reactions. As I said before, they can like, vote, give stars, or grade the content. Start posting, just to show you what it looks like. So in order to add a new post, I'm going to click here, and I'm going to write my little test post. And as you can see, there are those little options, little icons available here. So I can add whatever I want, really. I can add a picture. I can add it from my computer. I can take a picture of myself if I like. I can add a link. I can upload something from my computer over here, and there are more options here as well. There are many other things that you can add to your Padlet, so it creates a nice space for your students with resources and all the other interesting things. And once my Padlet is created, once I've added all the content that I wanted to add, I can share it with my students. So in order to do that, I have to double click on its title, and then the modifying tools appear. And here is the link to my Padlet, sorry. So I can copy it to my clipboard, and once it's copied, all I need to do is to paste it in an email or in a chat box of my online platform, and all my students have access to it. Okay, so have fun using Padlet and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, follow us, and share.